Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes. Now today we will start next topic, that is place value of number. Value according to the place of a digit in a number is known as place value. हम कोई भी digits की अगर place value बताते हैं, that is known as place value. Value according to the place of a digit in a number is known as place value. Now in the number 4321, we have to tell the place value of 4321. So this is ones, this is tens, this is hundred and this is thousand. तो हमने क्या किया, अकॉर्डिंग टू द वैल्यू हमने क्या बताया, प्लेस वैल्यू बताया. नेक्स्ट वी कैन फाइंड द प्लेस वैल्यू बाय यूजिंग दिस टेबल. आप देख सकते हैं टेबल, दिस इज वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड, थाउजेंड, 10,000. नाउ in the number 85,240, we have to tell the place value. So what we have to do, we have to expand and then we have to tell the place value. 85,240. So this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand and it will be 10,000. तो हमने क्या बता दिया, इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू हमेशा स्टार्ट कहाँ से होगा, राइट हैंड साइड, वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड, थाउजेंड, 10,000. You can see in this place value of 8, that is 80,000, place value of 5, that is 5,000, place value of 2, that is 200, place value of 4, it will be 40 and place value of 0, it will be 0. Okay students, now move to the next. One more thing, place value of 0 is always 0. अगर हमें किसी की place value बतानी हो उसमें 0 होगा तो 0 की place value हमेशा 0 होगी. Now the place value of, now we have 85,240. So this is 80,000, 5,240 और 0 की वैल्यू हमेशा 0 रहेगी. Now move to the next, that is find the place value of encircle digit in each of the following number. So in this example we have to tell the encircle place value. जो encircle digit है हमें सिर्फ उसकी ही place value बतानी है. So this is 82,430, but we have to tell the place value of 2, that is ones, tens, hundred, this is 1,000. तो स्टूडेंट्स 2 को हम 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, it will be 2,000. Now move to the next. Now we have to tell the place value of 9, that is 94,543. So this is 9 into multiplied by 10,000, it will be 90,000. Okay students, now move to the next, that is 20,845. Now we have to tell the place value of 8. It will be 8 multiplied by 100, it will be 800. Now move to the next, that is 59,264. In this part we have to tell place value of 2 digit. Okay, 6, it will be 6 multiplied by 10, it will be 60 and ones, tens, 100,000. So 9 multiplied by 1000, it will be 9,000. Okay students, if you want to take screenshot you can take. I hope you understand this concept of place value. Okay, move to the next. Now do अभी जो हमने solution किए थे, place value of 2, that is 2,000, place value of 9, that is 90,000, place value of 8, it will be 800, and place value of 9 and 6, this is 60 and this is 9,000 you can see here. Now move to the next, that is do and learn. So students, again we have to solve this and we have to do this in your maths notebook. Let's start. Okay, now we have to start. First you have to write the chapter number 1. Now we have to write the page number 7, and you have to write do and learn. Okay, our first question is, that is, write the place value, of encircled digit for the following numbers. Okay, let's start with the first part, that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So we have to tell the place value of, that is 6. Okay, now that is 5,679. We have to tell the place value of 6. It will be 6 into 100. It will be 600. Now move to the next part, that is B part. 34,567. Now we have to tell the place value of 4. It will be 4 into 1000. It will be 4,000. Ones, tens, 100,000. Now move to the next part, that is C part. 56,789. Now we have to tell the place value of 5. That will be, now ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 5 multiplied by 10,000, it will be 50,000. Now move to the next part, that is D part. 65,943. Again we have to tell the place value of 4. So it will be 4 multiplied by 10, it will be 40. Okay students, now move to the next part, that is E part. 72,530. Again we have to tell the place value of 5. It will be 5 multiplied by 100. It will be 500. Now if you want to take screenshot, you can take. Then we will move to the next part, that is F part. Okay students, now move to the next part, that is F part. That is 98,760. Again we have to tell the place value of 6. It will be 6 multiplied by 10, it will be 60. Now move to the next question, that is, fill the place value in the table following numbers according to the place value. So students, we have to tell the place value according to the numbers. That is, first, one more thing. Students, you have to draw this table in your maths notebook. Notebook as well as in your book, you have to do this exercise. First one, that is 46,549. But we have to start from the right hand side. That is ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000, and then 10,000. Okay, next ones, tens, 100, 1000, and 10,000. That is 98,054. Now move to the next. Ones, then tens, then it will be 100, then 1000, and then 10,000. Now it will be ones, tens, 100, 1000, and it will be 10,000. तो ये क्या हो गया स्टूडेंट्स? It will be 10,000. Now move to the next. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, and it will be 10,000. तो ये स्टूडेंट्स क्या बन गया? 23,405. You have to do all these sums in your maths notebook as well as in your book. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आप इनको सिंगल जीरोस भी लिख सकते हैं और अकॉर्डिंग टू दी 100 टेंस वंस के अकॉर्डिंग भी आप इनको लिख सकते हैं. कोई इशू नहीं है इसमें कि आप अगर इसको सिंगल जीरो भी लिखते हैं तो ये आपका रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. नो, अगर ये टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग है यू कैन राइट इन 2 zeros और 3 zeros and 4 zeros. Okay students, so don't be get confused and you have to do this exercise in your maths notebook. That's all for today. Thank you class.